This is going to be a spike single crochet stitch. I've just got some single crochet done here. Now you have to check your pattern for placement. Where do they want you to make the spike? It's a single crochet, so no yarn over required. So in my case, I need to come down to this next stitch below. So it's just a matter of going into the space, pulling up the loop, bringing it up to your working height. Make sure you do that, and then making a single crochet. Very simple. It encloses, you see this? It's gone all the way around everything. Let's just make a normal single crochet and another spike. Back down to here, down, pull up your loop, bring it up to your working height and make the single crochet. Always make sure that it's not compressing, so you can see all of my stitches are still level and at the same height. Oops, if I can straighten up, it'll be even better for you. You can make them as long as you want, and that depends on your pattern. So let's make another one. I'm going to drop down an extra layer down to here now. Down, pull up the yarn, give it a bit of a tug, bring it up to your working height, and close it off. There. Let's do another one of those. So down all the way to here, bring it up, close the single crochet. If you turn it around, you'll see the same thing. So that is a spiked single crochet done at various heights. These are the normal single crochet and these are the spiked. You can go down as far as you like depending on what your pattern's telling you to do. You can come up a little bit higher. So always check your pattern for explicit instructions about where your stitches have to go. But the key thing for the spike is to make sure that you pull the loop back up to your working height so that your work doesn't look uneven and doesn't pull and compress. Right? That's easy. Spike single crochet.